Are you ready to unlock your full potential and achieve your goals? The key lies in acquiring high-value skills that can transform your life. But where do you start? Introducing the Skill Seeker's Blueprint, your ultimate guide to acquiring the skills you need to succeed. Whether you want to advance in your career, start a new business, or simply improve yourself, this blueprint will set you on the right path. Step 1. Identify your goals and assess your current skill set. Step 2. Research high-value skills that align with your goals. Step 3. Create a learning plan and commit to continuous growth. Step 4. Practice, seek feedback, and never stop learning. With dedication and the right strategy, you can acquire high-value skills and unlock endless possibilities. Transform your life today with the Skill Seeker's Blueprint. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on personal development.